If you're considering a decorating project, you've probably given a lot of thought to furniture style, colors, and materials. But what about lighting? This important part of your decorating scheme can enhance colors, spark drama, and create a mood. But good lighting is about more than pretty fixtures. To find this out, Pete took a trip to Durable Electricals where he met Ken, the knowledgeable electrical engineer who not only enlightened him but introduced him to a whole new world of energy, saving and lighting techniques.
Perhaps you could just begin by telling me, what is Durable Electricals Limited? What do you do?
As our motto goes, we complete what you have started. Mostly in residential homes, we do decorative products with energy saving in mind. We have a machine system that we are able, in comparison to your bills, we are able to come and do an energy audit in your building, see your consumption, and see how much you're consuming, and see how we can change and reduce the consumption of your building, especially in commercial buildings, hospitals, and hotels.
Energy audit. I'm used to financial audit. What's this?
Yes, Pete. Energy audit is where we compare halogen lamps, halogen lighting, incandescent lighting, the normal bulbs, and halide lighting, especially for street lighting and commercial lighting. So we compare this with the same amount of illumination in terms of LED. So LED lighting is different lighting that consumes less, but gives the same amount of illumination as halogen or incandescent or halide lighting would give you.
Now, Ken, you have been talking about energy saving all along, and you have been mentioning LED lamps as an advantage over, for example, halogen lamps or your normal lamps in the home. Would you care to explain to me what are these advantages that LED lamps have over the other lamps, from energy consumption to perhaps cost?
LED lighting, that is light emitting diodes, give the same, consume less voltage and consume less power as compared to other forms of lighting, from energy saving bulbs to fluorescent tubes to halogen lamps to halide lamps. LED lighting is the new thing. It is the way to go right now.
This is all just sounding so magnificent. In fact, it's sounding unbelievable. I am your typical Kenyan. Seeing is believing. How can you prove all that you're saying to me actually happens?
I would like to show you, demonstrate to you in comparison a few of the lights that we have, a few of the LED lights that we have, in comparison to the normal incandescent lamps that we usually have around. And I would like you to see for yourself the kind of saving that you will be receiving.
Ken, I certainly want to see that.
Please.
Ken introduced Pete to an interesting gadget that enables you to do an energy audit that shows how much power individual lights and other electrical appliances are consuming in your home.
Before we do the energy audit with another set of system, which we actually go to the energy, to the power system itself, this is what we use to show you what kind of lighting you're using and what we want to replace to you and the kind of savings that you will be getting. Yes.
So what in effect you're telling me is that if you have a lower wattage on a bulb, then it consumes less electricity.
Exactly.
Ken, this certainly is a wonderful gadget that would help to resolve many of the challenges we have with lighting in Kenyan homes.
So Pete, that's about it. One thing I would also like to mention is that the energy analysis machine is very portable, and we can come with it anywhere at your commercial building or at your home, and we can do the same kind of demonstration.
Pete, being the doubting Thomas, asked to visit customers who had taken Ken's advice and made the switch to LED lighting to see the benefits.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you very much
Yes,
indeed.
yes.
I'm very happy
Sana.
for you having me here.
Welcome.
At Helen's house, where Pete made his first stop, the amount of saving that Helen had made by making the big switch was mind-boggling.
Durable Electricals came here and they did an energy audit because I thought my power bills were too high. They were between 15,000 all the way to 18,000, 19,000.
Goodness.
Yes. So I needed to find out what we need to do if I come up with a solution, because I was finding it hard to pay all those power bills. So they came in, did an audit. We were using energy-saving bulbs and some halogen bulbs on the chandeliers. So they came and told us which bulbs to use. So once we changed the bulbs, the next power bill from 18,000 came to 7,000.
What?
Instant.
From 18,000 to
Yes,
7,000?
yes.
Pete followed this up with a visit to Radiant Hospital, and the figures spoke for themselves. The savings were unbelievably huge.
Previously, we were spending up to 110,000 per month, yet we were not even as busy as we are now on power. But currently, our bills are from about 25 up to 40,000 maximum.
25,000?
Yes.
From over 100,000?
Yes.
That's a huge saving.
A very huge saving. And I count it all to LED.
Even if you think of decorative lighting as architectural jewelry, remember, all your electrical costs can come down drastically by using the right equipment. In this case, genuine LED lamps. Durable electricals will also provide an energy audit in your home or business, enabling you to make the right choices for all your energy needs.